This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and remove the rear light cluster retaining screws. Pull the light cluster rearwards to release the locating pins at the outside edge. Depress the clip and pull the wiring plug from the rear. Rotate the relevant bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and pull it from place. Push in the bulb a little, rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it from the bulb holder. Align the bulb's bayonet pins with the slots in the bulb holder, then press it in and twist it clockwise to secure it. Note that most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit in one position. Install the bulb holder into the light cluster, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Press the wiring plug back into the socket until the clip engages. Maneuver the light cluster into position. Align the locating pins at the outer edge with the holes in the vehicle body, then push it firmly into place. Insert the retaining screws and tighten them securely.